one country. Hey, I asked if your Igbo said that. Let me go to my friend. This was the problem. Wait. Dubasi. Nacha kudubasi. Dubai Yoruba masih yin kasih ngapano. Nacha wannan kasar nangule. Nacha wannan kasar nangule. Wanda bai sani ba. culture do you represent? Which culture do you represent? Yoruba. Okay, ma, how did you feel about today's event? This program was a success. The cultural day, at least it's better than last year. Everyone participates. It was colorful. Yeah, and even the food, every culture got their food and everything was great. Thank you, ma. So, please, how did you feel about today's cultural day? How do you feel about today's cultural day? Okay, well organized and well attended. Thank you for the name and it's a big success. So, sir, which culture do you present? Which culture do you present? I from Ghana, with the speaking area. Okay, sir. Sir, do you have any message you want to pass to the parents and children in the outward? Any message you want to pass to the parents and children outside? Okay. Be close to your children. Let the children be close to you. Teach them the basics of life. Make them understand well, in future on their own. And our local dialect is very important with our language of our children so that they can be better citizens. Thank you, sir. I'm Angel. Okay, my name is Taro. Okay, ma'am. So how do you feel about today's cultural day? Well, it was a very good day for me. I really enjoyed it. The arrangements, the display, the different cultural presentation was top notch. It's good time. Okay, now which culture do you represent? I represent the middle belt and the back people. Okay, ma'am. So do you have any message you want to pass to the outside children and the outside world? Okay, I will encourage everybody to participate in this kind of event if they can because it's targeted at bringing people together and then unity will take a sign of progress. And when we are united, we will progress. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Chibu is a teacher again. Okay, ma'am. So which culture do you represent? People. Okay, ma'am. So do you have any message you want to pass to the outer world? Okay, from what the children did today, I feel ecstatic. The display of cultural diversity in Nigeria was really on point. The part of the unity dance where the children tried to inform the parents the need for unity in Nigeria's cultural diversity was a very good message for every one of us to know that fighting in our country will not take us anywhere. United, we stand together and divided we fall. The message was just clear. From wherever you are from, we are all one Nigeria. Okay, Mama, did you enjoy the cultural? Yes, I had one. The costume was out of this world. I did Divine Breeds 100%. I was really entertained. The display of culture was awesome. But you want this cultural day to keep happening? Yes, of course. Even I feel it's a time for, it's an opportunity for our children to learn more about their culture. Like someone like me, I don't know that the things also used to cover their nose. It's my first time of seeing it, and I was asking a friend I was sitting with, I said, why is she using the handkerchief to cover her nose? She said, wow, that's their Benin culture. That's how their things come out. I was like, wow. Yeah. Good morning, ma. I'm Angel and okay, so did you enjoy the cultural day today? Yes, I did. Okay, so what message you have to pass to the outer world? Okay, I want everybody to always believe in their culture and they should understand what culture is all about. It's supposed to be what you should always practice as a Nigerian. Okay, thank you, ma. No, Susiama High. Okay, ma. But did you enjoy the cultural dinner? Yes, well packaged, beautiful cultural display. Everything was well ensemble. I was so flabbergasted. The children's performance was very, very high to my expectation. And I was so shocked when I heard that it took them 3 months
to put it into practice, the various displays. The one that really interested me most was the unity in diversion. How they came together, the Yoruba, the Hausa, the South, the Delta, the Edos. How they came together to form oneness, which means unity. So it displays that all Nigerians, despite where you come from, we are one. The cultural day today was superb. I really enjoyed it. Thank you to all the organizers, and we look forward to the next one at the Special Grace of God.
Okay, Mama. Do you have any message you want to pass to the outer world?
The only thing I would like to tell our parents, mothers, fathers, teach your children the local dialect. Teach them how to communicate in their local dialect. You don't know where they can meet someday. This culture will take them back. That's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you, Mama. That was a very interesting and nice review from our parents. Our cultural day was very fun and very interesting. My name is ABC Angel. Thank you.